Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to advanced. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS class selector. The CSS class selector selects HTML elements with a specific class attribute. To select elements with a specific class attribute, write a period character. This is the period character, which is the full stop. Write a period character followed by the class name. So as you can see in this example, all HTML elements with class center will be red and center aligned. As you can see, this one right here is having period character at the beginning followed by the class name. So quickly, I'm going to show you how this works, and also we are going to discuss about another way we can use these class selectors. So back to our document. As you can see, we're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the ID selector. So this to define class selector, this is how we are going to do. We are going to write this full stop, this period character. We are going to write it. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see? No style there again. We don't have any style in our document again. Let's remove all this so you can be able to. Let's leave it. No. Let's leave it so you can be able to recognize it one by one. So now let's give it a name. Let's give it p tag. Let's select p tag. Can you see? Nothing is showing right here because we are trying to select the p. As you can see, this is the p tag, but we specify here. It's supposed to select, but it's not going to select. So that's great. Let's declare something. Let's give it a declaration. Now let's declare color. Let's give it color. Let's give it color red, and also let's give it text align. Let's give it center. Now when we save this our document, now let's see what will happen again. Can you see? It's still not working. But why is it not working? The reason why it's not working is because you have to come to your p tag, create a class, because we are using our CSS class selector. So this class, this period character represents this class attribute you are having inside your HTML right here. And also inside this place, now you are going to copy this p tag, this p text that you specify inside it. Now place this inside your class attribute. Now it's going to work. Let's reload our document. Can you see? It's now working using our using our CSS class selector. As you can see, we are using this to style our p element. So quickly, let's say for instance, now you now change the name. You change it to anwar, for instance, like we did in our ID selector. Can you see? It's not going to work when you don't have the anwar inside your class selector, inside your class attribute. Now let's give our HTML class attribute anwar. Now it's going to work. Can you see? It's working. Let's give it anwar and dash akorede dash ayofe. Let's reload our document. Can you see? It's no more working here. Now we have to give our class also akorede. Reload your document and see what you get. Can you see? It's there now because the name here is the same thing we are having here. So don't you forget, you must not put the dot right here. Let's save it like that. Can you see? It's not working again. Definitely you have to remove this dot anytime you have to use your class selector in CSS, your CSS class selector. Anytime you are using it, don't put your dots along with your class name inside your class attribute in the HTML element. So now let's see for instance, now we can specify all this with our let's see for instance, now here we are having small letter here, and this in our CSS class we don't have small letter there. We are having akorede in capital letter. Let's see. Can you see? It's no more working again. So now definitely we have to specify small letter in our CSS class selector also. Can you see when we reload? So everything must go along with each other. Let's say this anwar now is small letter here. We only have this anwar with small letter here. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see? Definitely we must have only anwar with small letter inside our class attribute in CSS in HTML element. Make sure you practice this because practice makes perfect. Let me create capital letter class in our p tag here. Can you see? Definitely our CSS class selector also must be in capital letter. So can you see? Now it's working perfect. So everything we are doing right here is to test our CSS class selector. So I want you guys to practice it, because practice makes perfect. And while akorede ayofe is my name, I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. To the next tutorial. Bye.